Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying compatibility and preparing both devices. Make sure your iPad model supports the Magic Keyboard and has at least 20% charge so it won't power down mid-setup. Once done, open the keyboard hinge and remove any case that blocks the smart connector. Hold the keyboard so the magnets face the iPad edge, then gently align and let the magnets pull the iPad into place. That magnetic seating both attaches and connects the smart connector automatically. After the iPad snaps in, check the screen for a keyboard or case notification. That confirms the smart connector is communicating. Next, open Settings, go to General then Keyboard so you can enable or disable hardware keyboard features like auto-capitalization and keyboard shortcuts. This controls how typing behaves. Test typing in notes and press keys like brightness, volume, and escape to ensure they respond. If function keys don't work, make sure the app supports hardware keys and that software is up to date. Finish by running a quick checklist. Reseat the keyboard to confirm a firm magnetic connection and inspect the smart connector contacts for dust or lint. Clean gently with a dry brush. If you still have issues, restart the iPad, and although the Magic Keyboard uses the smart connector, not Bluetooth, toggling Bluetooth can help with related accessory oddities. Make sure iPad OS is updated. If problems persist after updates and reseating, contact Apple support because a hardware fault may be present.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.